Bee's Knees Cocktail, take one. Hi, it's Kelly, and I'm behind the bar this time. You never thought you'd see that, did you? And today I am with my new favorite customer, Reed, who's trusting me.
And I know Kelly can make great cocktails.
Well, I'm not actually a certified bartender, but I can get you drunk.
She's certifiable.
I'm certifiable. That's true. Very true. Okay, so today we are going to make a very special cocktail. It's called the Bee's Knees Cocktail. And we are using this gin, Barr Hill Gin. It is from a distillery in Montpelier, Vermont, that actually you are the one who convinced me to try gin again. I didn't really like gin.
Bah.
I know, right? What was I thinking?
Been drinking it the wrong way.
And we were in Vermont. Do you remember? We were up there for a few days.
Yeah, for anniversary.
For our anniversary, we were staying at a house, and does this sound? We were staying at a old firehouse that was turned into a brewery bar at the bottom, and then had a bed and breakfast at the top.
You could sleep at the brewery. The only thing they didn't have was a fire pole you could slide down to get
I think they
beers.
probably did that on purpose.
Yeah, that would have been liability.
So anyway, that's where we tried it. It was the same summer that it was the first season of Stranger Things.
Stranger Things that just come out.
So very memorable summer.
Yeah, but this is a really special gin. It's very unique flavor, and it's a great organization. And Barr Hill having the Bee's Knees cocktail is great because it's also to benefit.
That's right.
Bee habitats.
This is Bees Week 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are running a campaign where if you make a cocktail and tag them in social media, what are they going to plant?
They will plant 10 square feet of bee habitat per tag. If you take a picture of yourself enjoying a Bee's Knees cocktail with Barr Hill, you tag the place where you purchased the Barr Hill gin. And you,
or the restaurant where you
or the restaurant where you drank the cocktail, and you also tag Bee's Knees Week 2020. While you're at it, tag Take One Bartender.
Oh, that would be cool. We would like that. So we're going to get going. The first thing you add, and I've got my own shaker, by the way, is 2 ounces of gin. So that's an 8 count. Yeah.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I might have made that a 9 count. Sorry.
It'll be okay.
And then you have 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice that I pre-squeeze.
I think it's squeezed.
Yeah. And then not only does Barr Hill make...
This is the best honey ever.
This is the best honey.
This is the best
This
honey
is like
ever.
making
I don't even
the
like
difference.
honey all that much.
I know. You always called it bee vomit. Which
Well.
it is. But this is raw honey. This is amazing. In fact, it's not coming out of the spoon.
Oh, there's a bee. Huh.
Oh, is there a bee?
That's okay.
That's hysterical. It knows what we're doing.
This is not local honey. It's not from anybody you know.
Yeah, exactly. Don't take it personally. All right. Ice.
Are we going to? We're going to post how to also tag. We can put that on Instagram, right?
Oh, sure, we can do that. Some ice.
Woohoo! And then Kelly gets to shake it.
I know. I'm using my shaker that was given to me by Murray's Fool's distillers. So, thanks. Is it coming out?
It's leaking a little.
It totally is. All right.
It still tastes good.
It smells good.
That's not because the shaker was not well made. The lid was not on tight.
Yeah, that was me. All right. So, actually, I'm using my grandmother's crystal. Hey, Mom, I'm using the crystal.
Ooh, yes.
I never use this.
The lid could come off.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Like I said,
It's just that on tight.
Not certified.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
That's pretty.
That's very nice.
That's pretty. All right. And, of course, speaking of pretty.
Oh, of course.
Speaking
We must have garnish.
Well, okay, what do I do with that?
You can leave it just like that. That's fine.
All right. Well, it's
supposed to
still
float.
very pretty. It's a Bee's Knees. Give that a shot, my friend.
I get to try well, you've already tried one.
I did. I tried one on
Bee's Knees
Wednesday.
cocktail. Oh, wow. This is really good.
Isn't it good?
You got to try this. And if you can get Barr Hill Gin, which you most likely can.
Yeah. It's worth it.
It's a really good gin. And, a lot of times people think about, try it.
Yeah.
People think about, England or Portugal or other places, Spain for gin. There's a lot of good gin in the United States. We tried the one from Maryland, and this is from Vermont. This is really good, and it's really unique.
So, yeah, go make yourself a Bee's Knees. You know, it's good that we're using my grandmother's crystal, because I think she used to say that's the Bee's Knees, or it was said to her.
Well,
by my mom, maybe. I don't know.
Hopefully in a good way.
I hope so. All right, guys.
So
Thank you so much.
Your favorite?
Oh my gosh, that's right. You do it. You're better.
Well, this is a great cocktail, and when we can make great cocktails, your favorite bar is wherever we are.
Bye, guys.
Thanks.